So, so I'm a little shaky, but I just feel so blessed to be able to teach so many students and be a part of their learning. When I first got out of college, I was going to be a doctor. That's what my plan was. My degree was in biology, and that was where I was going. But God knew I should be doing something differently. I should be impacting our youth. I should be helping them reach their goals. And so that is my mission, especially this year. I was talking to my principal, keeping kids engaged in school, academically, socially. I want them to like to come to the building. I want them to want to step foot in the classroom and learn. And so I'm speechless because it's amazing to get an award for something you love to do. It's not like a job. You like coming to work, and you like being with your colleagues, and you love teaching your students. Every day is a new day. And so I'm so blessed right now. Thank you guys.